Hello, kids. This is teacher Yumi, and now let us have another set of spelling words to learn. Let us start. Means, 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 old, 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 any, 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 same, 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 corn, 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 blue, blue, b, u, blue, b, l, u, e, blue, blue, b, l, u, e, blue, true, 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 clue, 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 glue, 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 do or Jew are both correct. D-U-E, Jew, D-U-E, Jew, argue, argue, A-R-G-U-E, argue, A-R-G-U-E, argue, listen, listen, L-I-S-T-E-N, listen, 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 song, song, S-O-N-G, song, cause, cause, C-A-U-S-E, cause, C-A-U-S-E, cause, speak, S-P-E-A-K, speak, S-P-E-A-K, speak, kind, kind, K-I-N-D, kind, K-I-N-D, kind. Okay, it's your turn to spell now. You may start. Very good. Okay, let's read it again together. Means old, any, same, corn, blue, true, clue, glue, Jew, argue, listen, song, cause, speak, kind. Okay, once again, this is teacher Yumi saying thank you and God bless.